Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons and to my supporters and those who order their Tesla using my link. Today, I'm going to show you 3 videos of 3 Tesla Model 3 owners who have received I would call it the test trial, the beta version of the enhanced summon feature in the Tesla Model 3, which is a wonderful feature. Helps you get out of parking lots and all that. So the enhanced one will detect your location from about 150 feet away or so and bring your car to you. Now, what's the best function of that? Let's say you forgot where you parked your car in a big parking lot. It can bring it to you, locate it, and bring it to you. That happened to me. I mean, who didn't lose their car in a parking lot, forgot where you parked it? That's number one. Number two, also when it's like, let's say it's pouring rain and you're in the front of a mall or movie theater and whatever, be nice to have your car come to you. So that feature is now being pushed down to select owners. Why not me? I want to be selected. So it's being selected, pushed down to some owners, and the review is like kind of mixed. Some of them say it's good, functioning well. Some of them it has bugs, which is totally understandable. That's why you test it and then you fix all the bugs. But I think that the issue with it, especially on public roads, like you see in one of these videos, public roads or public parking lots or public anything, that now you have quasi-driverless car, which brings regulation into issue. Okay, there are no regulations about this yet, or is there, or is it in the work? I mean, when I used someone pulling out my Tesla when I parked like in a really tight spot when you can get in and out. I pulled it many times. That's very good. But having it drive, let's say 100 feet, 150 feet to you, navigating in a public road and or in a public parking lot, that would be issue. First of all, it's so freaking slow. And I understand it's not like going to be like a regular driver who just zooms in and out, in and out. And if you see something, so it's going to be an issue with let's say New Jersey drivers, for example, or New York drivers who are very impatient. So we'll see what happens. I cannot wait for this to come down. This is a really awesome thing if we can work out all the regulation issues and all that. So these are the videos I found, and credit to all those YouTubers who put it out there. Good for them. And we'll continue to update you, see what happens. If you are one of these people who have the trial, once you share your experience, that'd be awesome. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow.